Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove wind noise in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and loading your project. Next, switch to the Fairlight page by clicking the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. This is the audio editing workspace where you'll find the tools needed to enhance and repair your audio. Once you're in the Fairlight workspace, open the effects library from the top menu and navigate to the audio effects section. Then use the search bar to find the noise reduction effect. This tool is designed to reduce unwanted background noise, including wind interference. After locating the noise reduction effect, drag it onto the audio clip or track that contains the wind noise. Once applied, open the inspector panel to access the effect settings. Begin by adjusting the threshold setting. This controls how strongly the effect targets unwanted noise. Increase it gradually while listening to the audio. Next, adjust the attack setting. This determines how quickly the noise reduction responds when wind noise is detected. Then adjust the sensitivity setting. This controls how accurately the effect separates unwanted noise from the audio you want to keep. Play the audio and continue making small adjustments to the threshold, attack, and sensitivity settings until you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove wind noise in DaVinci Resolve. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.